remember making love on the hill at the top of the Banga? Do you remember a handful of pills on a midnight adventure? I do, I do. Late in September, it started to end and I felt you pretending I couldn't surrender. Through the high and the low, I just wanted to love you. I do, I do. All of the hurt you've been hiding away cuts me at times like a switchblade, and take every step you can take, and I'll give it to you, give it to you. I always knew that you got me someday. I fell in love with a switchblade, and I know that you did the same, so I'll give it to you, give it to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. We were electric, we were wild, we were free, and I thought that you meant it. It's hard to accept it, that it's not meant to be, but I'll never regret it. I don't, I don't. I don't, I don't. All of the hurt you've been hiding away cuts me at times like a switchblade, and take every step you can take, and I'll